What's going on, guys? This is the Ecom boss, and in today's video I decided to do a store review from you guys, my subscribers. So that's basically what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go over you guys' stores. Well, I gotta be completely honest, if I see something I do not think is cool, I will have to let you guys know, but you guys probably already know that. So that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be super exciting video. I'm just gonna go over your guys' stores. You're gonna have a couple of niche stores, one product store, and a couple of general stores too. So if you're in the process right now where you're creating a store, or you already have a store but you just want to improve, because stories could be also where the conversion rate increases, right? So if you're in a situation where you're dealing with a store, you don't know if it's good enough, or you're just working on a new one, highly would recommend watching this whole video through and just learning from me how a good store should look. Even though I'm not making perfect stores all the time, it's not really my priority because it's a product page that matters. I could still give you guys some really good insights on what a good store looks like. So before this video starts, please smash a like on the video. Make sure you go down and subscribe. And if you want to get into my dropshipping coaching program, you can message me on Instagram here. It's been life changing so far, and let's just get straight into the first store, guys. So the first store is SHoldusa. And this store, let's take a quick look. So from the front page, it actually looks pretty okay. Boost your productivity, or innovative new products help you reduce clutters. Yeah, we can read that later. It doesn't really matter. We can't read everything. Free shipping and 50% off, ending soon. I don't know if scarcity saying ending soon will really be a point, but it's cool. It's cool. So the picture here is actually pretty good. It fits well with productivity as well, the do more type of picture. Let's get into it here. We have our mission. Yeah, this is just really short and also kind of simple. First of all, the product is not too good, but it's not about the product anyways, right? It's about the store. But I do not think the product is too good. Free worldwide shipping, always nice to have in free worldwide shipping here. I think that's pretty cool. We got, at least, guys, this is something you guys have to keep in mind. This store has high quality pictures. That's key point. That's the reason this store actually might do better, just because, you know, keep in mind, guys, that depends on the product. Not every single product has the highest quality picture, but this store has a super high quality on their pictures, which definitely scores big. That's like a key factor. Add to cart button, kind of invisible down here. I'll probably change the color on this. When you scroll, it's getting pretty weird, as you guys probably see on the screen. 6 shares. Yeah, that's getting a little bit weird. First, down here, these key factors here are super nice. Premium medals, free shipping on all orders, money back guarantee, 99% customer satisfaction. Yep, this is 99% customer satisfaction. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. This is really good. And we have all the feel free to contact us at the email. Yeah, I would probably just set up a contact us page instead, which is really simple. That's what you should do. We have a shipping policy here. This is great. And then we have a returns policy, which is also all good. I think this looks pretty cool. You guys obviously have your own policies here. Here we got the product page. Description is looking pretty decent. It's a little bit short. I would definitely have more in it. It's just short, but it's a paragraph and a picture and a paragraph. That's the layout I usually keep. And we got the features over here too. Store is pretty okay. I do not think this is the best store. There will be a good store in this video a little bit later on. So just, guys, bear with me here, and please drop a like on the video and make sure you subscribe. So we should probably get into the next store. So this is going to be exciting for sure, because we have a lot of good stores here, or at least we have one store that I think was pretty good, but we'll see, okay? Next store is All Babies. What I think is cool with this store is what you guys can see right now. It's like a GIF or something. This thing is floating, so it's not just a picture. I find that to be unique. You can actually pause it. High quality pictures, you see? You guys see what I mean? This is high quality pictures. That's what we like to see. So great pictures here, great pictures. And the color scheme on this store is really good. That's one thing I would give this guy a thumbs up for. The color scheme is perfect. This guy really been doing well with the colors here. The baby niche is the worst though, but the color scheme is perfectly fine here. Got products, fast free shipping, and we got content. It's super good. This store is phenomenal. I'm just obsessed with the color scheme here. However, guys, I'm not saying you have to be this big on a color scheme, because it depends a little bit on the niche too. This great colors for a baby niche, for example, but this looks fine. Here we got the product, shipping policy. You even got the shipping policy up here. That's great. We could click to contact us. Hopefully this guy has to contact us. Yeah, this is the contact us section I was talking about. This is great. I don't even know if I have anything to say about this guy's store, because it is really good. Oh yeah, this is a great collection page. First of all, guys, you want to have 3 products down here in a row. It just looks completely naked, or it looks kind of empty when you don't have that, because you guys can see here you got 3 products, 3, and then 1 here. Fill it in. That would look way better. So please go ahead and fill that in. It's gonna look super clean, but same color scheme. And this is a great layout of a collection, because usually a collection will look different. Just look at this, guys. This is what I mean with a collection will look different. This is a normal collection, and this is it. This collection just looks super cool. So I will probably give this store almost a 10 out of a 10. I'm not really gonna rate them, but it's a great store. It really is a good store. I don't really have anything to point at. The only thing I said is those products down here. They add in 2 more, so it just makes it look clean. But this store is something I think is great. It really is good, and I recommend you guys to work with something similar to this. Take a look at the product page here. Oh, that's super short. I would definitely make it longer. But anyways, the store is great. So the next store is gonna be Homify Collection. This store is phenomenal. The colors here are great. Obviously, the other guy had cooler color schemes, but still, it's not about the color schemes too much, really. This store is just great because it brings in good vibes already when I come into it. I see this summer type of collections up here. Just great vibes, super high quality on the pictures. That's key factor, you guys heard. High quality pictures. This is great. I usually don't type on the homepage here, but this is great. This is great. And this is a store I actually really like. It's a general store, and it is a great general store. Here we got testimonials, key factor. I think it's super cool. Obviously, I would guess they are fake, but this is super cool. Here we got some bestsellers. Just makes the store look way more interesting with the bestsellers and the testimonials. I really do like this store, but I'm going to show you guys the example we just talked about because this guy gets it wrong too. We need more products down here in order to make this work, okay? Because it's empty here. It is quite naked, so I'll change that up. So this guy has the buy more, save more option where you can get a discount of whatever you're buying, which is cool. Take a look at his description. It's probably stolen. Yeah, this is not a good description at all, but the store itself is good. A good description is more like a paragraph and a picture. I actually do have a video on descriptions. I uploaded it a couple of days ago, so you guys could check that out. But this is not a good description. But however, maybe he doesn't have a good description just because he's not advertising it. There's no point having a really good description if it's not advertising the product, you know, then I wouldn't really care too much about it. But this store is cool. I really do like it. It's just a general store, but it is a great general store. Same here, boring description, but you don't know if he's even selling that product, so we can't really hate too much on it. Free shipping, that's always great, but the homepage here was phenomenal. Pictures are good, and the thing that resonates with all the good stores here are high quality images, right? Next store is Be Home Gym. I really did like this store. Let's take a look at it. Be Home Gym, unleash the beast in you. Yeah, high quality pictures. It's like a GIF. You guys can see everything moving in the background. This thing is sliding. This store is awesome. This is a great store. First of all, this part right here, the section we're looking at now with these 2 products here and learn more, I think it's awesome. Before we get into the best-selling products, this is a store you guys should model. It's great. It's not too much. This is a little spammy, but it's not too much at all. It's super phenomenal. It's super great. We even got some videos showing how it works, paragraph. It just looks like they're actually selling you guys a story. It looks like they care about their customers. It just looks like a more warm, safe, and great place. This guy also messed up here because you guys can see this is in shape, but this is out of shape because there's only 3 products here. But this store is just so good. You see all these paragraphs here just talking about this, fresh to the store, new products, you know, showing about what's new and or features, perfect 2020 gift, made with love, perfect 2020 gift, made with love, GMP quality. This is great. This is probably the best store I've ever seen from my subscribers. We even got blog posts, and what we can see here is this guy put in blog posts, or this girl, but this person put in blog posts, which I just clearly just see just from putting in those blog posts that this effort been putting in here. It's been putting in a lot of effort. Great. I love this store. It's perfect. This store is really, really good. Like everything, even the color scheme is great too. So shop now. Let's look at the collections. Yeah, it's perfectly fine. We even get enough price on each row to make it look clean. Yeah, this is great. We could actually maybe just take a look at something here. I don't know if it's big on descriptions either. Oh, yeah, kind of boring description, but I think the description could actually cover up for it just because it's so good. Got reviews. That's always a key factor. And I think that's enough of this store. Even got the logo, so it's already well branded too. It looks like a branded store list. Perfect store. Currency converter up here. That's a must have. Great store. This store, the ZodiacNickel.com. Enjoy your Zodiac Nickel. You can barely see that it says nickel down here, which could be a problem. The shop now is green. We cannot see the shop now here. Oh, something weird just happened. We cannot see the shop now button here whatsoever, which you need to change. And the background, first of all, with the Zodiac things, the nickel is like metal. It's silver. It's in white, whatever. So it makes it impossible to see the text on the homepage. And the shop now button needs to be another color. I would basically just change the picture here. First of all, there's no things up here. There's no about us, no refund policy, no nothing up here. We need to change that as well. And if we scroll down here, shop now. This part is great though. The pictures down here, this looks way better. And then a lot of exclamation marks, screaming. I don't know if that's really the way to go. Special Christmas surprise and unforgettable birthday present. Yeah, I mean, it's quite romantic. Well, first of all, it's not gonna make any margins when you sell it for such a cheap price though. But there is no way to feel safe on this page. Yeah, they have a refund policy here, but nobody can even see it. The color scheme is black. I don't really like the black color scheme. It just makes it a little bit, it just doesn't look that professional. And here just it's a really really silly page, honestly. Just come in to buy, and there's just only a buy now option here. I don't even know if the product got a description. Yeah, I feel like you just can't see a lot of things just because the background is black. I feel like it's not finished whatsoever, and I also feel like you gotta change your homepage up here. It's not looking too good. The next store is Daisuke. This one just looks a little bit naked to me. You come in here and that's everything. There's just a picture here, super short paragraph, and then it's the product, and that's it. And then it's just spam down here with a lot of things. And the thing is, to make your store more interesting, you could just put or double down guarantee or mission down here just to make the homepage more interesting. Then we got the contact us. That's obviously fine. Track your orders. Always great to have a track your order. And then the shop, it's still, misses 2 products down here. But it's basically it, because there's nothing more to say about this store because you don't have anything on it. So it just looks a little bit naked. This description is good though. It's super nice description. But the store just looks a little bit empty to me. Anyways, guys, it's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys smash the like button on this video. Make sure you go down and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about these stores, I will be answering comments for the first hour, maybe even later. Appreciate all of you guys, and let's definitely make September count and be the best month ever. Please like and subscribe to the channel and comment, and you'll be seeing me in the next video. We're so close to 2,000 subscribers too.